Hi everyone, welcome to my first video of October, which of course is a tag. So this time I want to showcase a tag that I've pre-made, and I'm using Sarah's lovely embellishment kit this time. So I've done an oversized tag with double-sided cardstock, and actually I like this side as well, but I didn't want to cover this bit up. So it's just so lovely. I just couldn't bring myself to cover it up. So I've made my tag on the other side. So what I've done is I've made an envelope using my envelope punch board, and I've put a band of cardstock across it to act as a way of closing the envelope and keeping it closed. And then I've just popped almost every different element of Sarah's embellishment kit on the tag. So at the bottom I've got lovely mustardy pom-pom trim that I really like, the sweater weather woody, which again is just lovely, the yellow flower. This kit has 3 of these adorable little tabs on them, and I love them. I think they're just so cute. So I popped that on the envelope. Then I've used another one of Sarah's pumpkins, a couple of flowers, and a charm. Couldn't think of the word then, sorry. So all I've done is I've traced around a tag and cut it out and lightly distress the edges. Then I did actually do this side first. So this is a 49 and Market kit that I bought from Sarah quite a while ago, and I've nearly ran out of it now, but I wanted to do this this tag, and I don't normally like the word fall, but it's fine, I'll use it this time. So I stuck the this title onto the back just so there was something else on the back, but it didn't cover these beautiful pumpkins. Then I made the envelope and popped that on the tag, and this button is out of my own stash, and I've just used a 1-inch scallop punch for the back. And then I attached all the different elements. So I forgot to mention this beautiful heart ribbon. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I need to see if Sarah's got some more of this, because I'd really like some more of it. So I need to do that. And then all I've done in the tag is I've just made, if I can get it out, I've just made a little journaling tag to go in there. I figured that I could put photos on the back and journal on the front, or the opposite way round, and then that would be my tag done. So that is my tag for October, using Sarah's embellishment kit. I hope that's given you another idea for a tag, and until next time, bye for now.